Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a time you taught something new to a younger person. You should say when it happened, what you thought, who you taught, why you taught this person, how you felt about teaching. Last summer, I helped my younger cousin learn how to ride a bicycle, which stands out as one of the memorable times I taught someone new. He never really made an effort to study because, since he was about 7 years old, he had always been terrified of falling. I chose to assist him after noticing him having trouble with his bicycle one day when I was at my aunt's place. I was thrilled to teach him how to ride since I remembered how I had learned it as a kid. My relative was initially apprehensive and anxious since he didn't trust himself to balance the cycle. I began by encouraging him to continue pedaling while keeping his balance by grabbing the back of the seat. I emphasized to him the value of not looking down while riding and maintaining steady grip on the handlebars. He continued losing his balance and became irritated during the first few tries, but I kept encouraging him by telling him that falling was a necessary part of learning. He began to acquire confidence gradually, and after a few attempts, he managed to ride a short distance by himself. When he eventually balanced the cycle without my help, the joy on his face was invaluable. Because I wanted him to get over his fear and enjoy riding a bicycle, like I did when I was his age, I made the decision to teach him. I was confident he would experience a sense of success and freedom after learning. I also wanted him to gain from riding a bicycle because it's a crucial skill that enhances coordination and fitness. Teaching him was a very fulfilling and enjoyable experience. I was pleased and gratified to watch his enthusiasm and self-assurance increase. It also made me realize how crucial encouragement and patience are when teaching someone a new skill. That day, I came to see that teaching brings happiness and fulfillment in addition to helping others. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.